available in Bangalore itself at a lower rank. So this college is a quite old college, and it is like a 39-year-old college. So it is one of the few college which which are 10-15 colleges which were in Karnataka from 1980s onwards, and it's accredited by AICT and part of a VTU, Vishwaswara Technical University. Now, coming to the courses, they offer BE, MBA, MTech, and PhD, and the college courses have been, ranked, for example, by many, rating, like the we call India Today and Data Quest. So, you fifth rank by private engineering colleges. And similarly, the college has a very good infrastructure. It is a 15-acre Wi-Fi campus, modern amenities with modern classrooms, and around 12,000 square feet of center of excellence for good, collaborative development and from computers, electronics, and other branches. 1,000-seater auditorium, and then there is a fully computerized library, and now it has good internet center along with ATM and other facilities. So this is what I was telling you. It is a very good infrastructure, and you can see this is a 1,000-seater hall, and with a quite decent infrastructure, modern infrastructure for student facilities. And now this is also part of the outdoor area of the college, since it is a 15-acre green campus. This provides a good environment for students, for study and excel in their studies. So this is how programs which are there part of this stall, in new generation branches like artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer science, and data science is part of that, apart from information science, and then electrical, electronics, mechanical, and civil engineering, which is the traditional branches, are also there. Coming to admission process, this is through the standard, all KCT COMET-K colleges of Karnataka. So 45% of seats through KCT, 30% to COMET-K, and then there are management quota and APCK based exam based on which they take the admissions. And so I will get the it also takes admission through JE scores. So this is regarding the cutoff, which I said the second round cutoff. It's not the first round, the second round cutoff, from the KCT mode of admission. So you see, you get the computer science branches from 2020 starting 20,000 to 35,000. And similarly, you get mechanical even as low as 1,38,000, civil 1,50,000, chemical 1,40. So if your rank is even more than 1 lakh, you will get at least the core branch, core or traditional branches. But for getting the computers, it should be around 50,000 range. You should be there. Now this is the fees through the CET quota. So you see the 58,000 is a tuition fees, and the college fees 45,000. Total put together, it will be 1 lakh rupees, 1,03,000 rupees per year, and this is the same irrespective of the branches. So this is to the KCT quota fees. Now coming to most important point, the data which comes from an NIRF, what data information they have given with respect to their placement for 1920. So you see here, the 846 students were eligible for placement, and out of which 668 has got the jobs, and the average salary is little bit low, but 3.7 lakhs, but the percentage placement is around 80%. So that is a decent one. This is what college claims, last 6 years increment in the placement. So you see the number of students placed was around 350 students, and the number of offers are 450 to 500, and number of eligible students are 492. So out of 500 students, 330 or 300 odd students get placed. And a higher salary was 27 lakhs at Adobe, and then there are a few companies like InZoom, those gives 11 lakhs and 7 lakhs, and others. So these are the few of the companies which are part of the placement process. So TCS, SCL, Wipro, mostly Indian companies, and few multinational companies also you get here: Yahoo, IBM, SAP, Mphasis, but they take lesser number of students. These are the placement facilities, and how students participate into the interview process, and overall placement, getting the offers rolled out to them. And so apart from studies, there are also academics plus plus, which is the initiative for getting student to industry oriented programs, which is not more, which is more than the study part of it. So those research and development part of the overall engineering education. They do have a center of excellence, so where they it is with the National Instruments, the good company, and they have the robotics, industrial automation, labs which facilitate better education. And now college has a good number of hostels, so the hostel for boys as well as girls. So you can see the basically, if you're interested here, this is the fees for the boys and the girls hostel. So come twin sharing, three sharing, four sharing, five sharing, depending on what students takes. And it's a old block as well as new block. So coming into the other infrastructure, is a 15-acre campus, so it has facilities for sports as well, and multiple sports are there, and basketball, volleyball, and others. So overall, I should say this is a decent college.